Oh, that place was super cute. If you're vegan, I definitely recommend checking that place out. They had a lot of vegan foods, and they also had a lot of vegan sweets. I was really happy that I got to eat some things that I haven't eaten in a while because they don't have milk in them. So I also bought this. It's a little melon pan. You put it in it has chocolate in it too. It looks really good, so I'm excited to try it. Today is such a gloomy little day. I was really hot earlier and I wanted to take off my sweater so bad, and now I want to button it up. Okay, next we're gonna go to a vegan cat cafe. It's supposed to be kind of close to here, so let's go. It really is in the middle of nowhere, but it's super cute. Look. And there's a thing. Information on here. This cute little chalkboard. People on the other side enjoying the cafe. This cat is fixated on me. Hello, boy. Here's my toy. Ooh, so popular today. Maybe because nobody else is here. Hmm? Yeah? Yeah, that's it. What are you doing, bro? I just want to take a photo. Why are you gonna knock it off? Baby. Baby. me. I'd like to check out. Do you have my bill? Going. That cafe was really cute and super nice. I love the fact that it's vegan too, because I don't have to be scared about the milk they use, because they only use soy milk. How great is that? So I had this matcha latte with a little cat on it, and it was so cute. That ends my day of vegan cafes for now. I think I want to make more vlogs of some vegan restaurants. That way people who have a lot of dietary restrictions can also get good food in Japan. So yeah, I hope you like that.